What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how I put this centerpiece table together. Yes guys, as you can see, this centerpiece table together. Yes, who remember these sweets? Ring Pop, I love them since I was a kid. Yes guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I put this centerpiece together. And please guys, don't just watch the video, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my videos, okay? And tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If y'all have any ideas, y'all could inbox me on my Instagram. It's Curry_Goodas. Yes guys, y'all could inbox me on Facebook at Curry_Goodas. If y'all have any idea, please turn on your post notification bell so you be the first one to get my video. Guys, as you can see, I'm about to place these here. I don't know the name of these, but these are the iron that's going to keep the body firm. As you can see, I start off with my hands, guys, and please don't just use your hands. Watch carefully what I am doing. I just use my hands to screw them part way. Then I'm gonna use this to tighten them because you don't want to have a wobble table. Here, very firm. And guys, you gotta be careful with these iron because you don't want to break your glass. As you can see, these are almost finished. I need to screw this a little bit because as you can see, it's shaking. You see, this is shaking. This is not moving, so I gotta tighten these more. Guys, as you can see, I finished attaching these and I'm about to place these. You see by dropping them in like this. Oh, y'all gonna see that. So I'm placing them over here. Be careful, don't want to hit your hands. See that, guys? So I'm placing them in their correct spots. See that? Then we'll go by placing these over here. So you're gonna put these right around. Yes guys, don't forget. I'm not really talking a lot in this video. I don't really know the name of these stuff, but I just want to show you guys how y'all could put it up, and I'm going to show you the finishing product also. Guys, as you can see, I placed these on. Place my glass, and please don't forget to turn your glass the proper way because you don't want to get this side showing on top. You want to have the dull side pointing to the floor, okay? Yes, guys. My video is kind of dark. I'm sorry about that. I hope y'all seen what I'm doing. Yes, guys. I'll be back. See this? You don't want to leave this like this. You gotta make sure you get this right, okay? Yes, so we're gonna go again by placing. You see, these are in the correct spot. Yes, guys. It's my first time doing this, guys. This one is my first time doing this kind. But I'm still showing you all. I have one, but it's a different style. This one you gotta be careful because it comes with some of these size. They're a little bigger than some. Some is smaller, some is a little bigger. You gotta be careful. I'm gonna place these on top here. Then I'm gonna place. You gotta make sure you get these here properly, because these are what hold this together. If you don't have this on it, look at this. See that? So you don't want to fit it up and like, why is my table shaking? And remember, guys, you see, if it comes with 100 item, every single piece of that item is supposed to be used on it. None is not supposed to leave back. So if something leave back, that means you didn't do something right. Okay? You can see. So this is my next glass. This is so dusty. Dusty, guys. Look at that, and it's not done yet. Now if y'all hearing that noise, that's the AC, guys. Sorry about that. It's on auto, so it just chip in and chip out when it feels like. It's crazy, right? We're almost there. See, I'm doing something wrong. I need to place these on top of here. I turn out everything right here, guys, and they're all over the place. I'm sorry about that. So I'm looking for one more of these. I'm almost finished, guys. I'm almost finished. As you can see, what was right here. So I'm gonna go by place these now on top of here. This is good. I love this. Actually, I love this piece because it have like two heart-shaped glass. So I love this piece. It's, what word will I use, guys? Don't correct me now. Help me. Help me. Help me. Ooh. I'm going to place these here. I don't know if y'all see me. These are the pieces that I'm placing on now. These are like the third to last stuff. that you place on to make the foot. I'm having a headache, guys. Then you're gonna put on this. These are like rubber, so you don't want to leave this alone because it's gonna scrape your floor, plus it's not gonna look right, you know. So you want to make sure you put everything on. Everything, guys. See that? Drop comfortable right inside of it. Make sure, guys, make sure to use all the items that comes with this. So last but not least, I'm about to place these on. What do you call these? Guys, comment down below. I don't know the name. Being honest, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, what I don't understand, why they give us this stuff, but guess what? It's not like they give something to screw them on. They just give me these things. They didn't, you know, normally they come in the pack with stuff that you could use to screw these down. They didn't put anything in it to screw it down, guys. So guys, guess what's the trick? Guess what's the trick? You see these, when you place them here, it is so easier than I just thought. As I said, it's my first time doing it, but I want to do it with you guys. So if any one of y'all decide to buy one of these tables, y'all would know what to do. Guys, when you rest that little bowl in there, you just spin here. And it automatically tightens itself. Look at this. Look at this, guys. That was so easy. This is so easier than I thought. It gave me a little pull though. I ain't gonna lie. I had a little moment with it. I'm not going to lie. I can't find one of the screw for there. One of the thing for there. It gave me a little time, guys. So it take me roughly 15 minutes to do it, because I have to stop and check the paper. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I have a paper here. As I said, it's my first time doing it, but I know someone might be having difficulty doing it and they wouldn't mind learning something from me. Guys, I think I'm almost through with my, but I am still looking for one of the screw. But guys, I am saying thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also tell a friend, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend, guys. Bye. So guys, the moment y'all been waiting for. Yes, guys. So you could go ahead and decorate it however you want it. Finishing product. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Okay guys, bye.